Welcome guys, this is KLK Party Favorites. I'm bringing to you some ideas that you can use to add to your Mother's Day treats. Alright guys, I'm a party planner, as most of you know, and I make a lot of party favors. So here are some of the party or Mother's Day treats that I've made in the past for my mom. And I just want to share with you. I've also made them for my daughter. Okay, so here is the Martinelli's sparkling juice. So all I did was put a bow and a label. This label says, "Mom, you are the queen." And you can, put any label you want on there. And I cut them using my Cricut machine. And I design them in Photoshop. You can design them in Photoshop, Canva, it doesn't matter. This is the water bottle. It has the same label. And I put a little ribbon there. It's just really fancying up just average little party favors. Okay, this is a chip bag wrapper or any 1 ounce snack bag. This wrapper holds that, and this is just an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and it's folded, and it creates a wrapper for chip bags. On my channel, I have videos of how to design and how to assemble these party favors. So this is the front of the chip bag wrapper, and this is the back. It said, "Happy Mother's Day, #1 Mom." Okay. And this is a Hershey Bar Purse. Okay. And it has a little diamond trim for the handle. And the front, I just put a little brooch on there and use my Cricut machine to cut out the template. Okay. And so this holds just regular size Hershey bars. All right. My mom really loves these. I think she has one in almost every color I've ever made. Okay. And so I'm going to move that to the side, and then I'm going to bring my next one out. Okay, so this is another design that I made, and this has the beautiful teal color and various shades of pink, but this is also a chip bag or any 1 ounce snack wrapper. Okay, and I like the mom facts on the back. It says unconditional love, patience, caffeine, laughter, creative, strong, resilient, beautiful. Those are all the descriptors of a mom, and it all has 100% on it. I think that is so cute. And the back on this side says, "Thanks for being the best mom ever." Okay, so we have that, and I have the Martinelli's juice to go with that. Just added my label and my bow, and a water bottle to go with that. And this is a Snickers Bar box. That's a really fancy Snickers Bar box, isn't it? Yeah, this template here I do not own. I did not create this template. This template came from another YouTube creator. Her name is Adrena's Creations. And I'll have a link in my description if you would like to order this template from her. So what I did was just use my Cricut machine, of course, to cut out the template. And then I just designed it with, cardstock and this brooch and this little trim here. So you can make them as fancy or, as simple as you like. All right, guys. I hope you all liked all these non-traditional Mother's Day items that you could use for your baskets, whatever you want to gift for mom. All right. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.